Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, La Vida with Kim, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. You know, I always get super excited when I have to do an unboxing video, guys, and that's what I'm doing today. I have been waiting for this item. I bought two actually. I don't know if the other one's considered a bag. I don't know. But yeah, it's two items. They shipped them separately even though I bought them at the same time. So I had to wait for the second one and it just got here, guys, and it's time to unbox. I'm super excited. Guys, I feel like I got a super good deal. The bag was actually under $100, guys. Oh my gosh. I know this item did come out a bit ago. I've been watching a bunch of you guys' videos trying to get like a little vibe of the bag. Some of you guys didn't like it. Some of you guys do. I don't know. We're gonna see what I think. So I'm super excited, guys. So this is actually a Coach unboxing, okay? This is literally going to be my second Coach bag. So if you guys don't know already, yes, I do handbag videos here and there. You know, my channel's all over the place. I like to share everything with you guys, you know, everything I like, as you can tell. But okay, so I actually had a Coach bag a while ago. I would say maybe like a year or two ago. It was like a, what are those, like camera bags? And I did like it, but I feel like I really didn't use it. The reason I'm getting into bags now, it's because I'm done with diaper bags. If you didn't know, I'm done. So I'm starting my collection and I want to share with you guys, and I love watching you guys' videos too. If you do handbag videos, if I am not subscribed to you, you would know because I will be commenting on your videos. Let me know and I'm going to go check out your channel, okay, so I can follow you guys. But yes, okay, so I'm blabbing too much. So yes, I'm ready to unbox, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So like I said, I have two packages. This is a bag and this is the second item. Let's start off with the bag, of course. So this is the box. It's actually not a big handbag, so I don't know why they shipped it in such a huge bag. Look at this thing. Yeah, I don't know. Let me open it. I have my crafting knife. This thing will cut through anything. It's like a surgical knife. So easy. Okay, I got it open. Oh my gosh, can you guys guess what it is? I always get so excited with unboxing. It's like Christmas, you know? If you guys watch Miss Didi's channel, guys, she's always unboxing so much stuff. I'm like, girl, it's like Christmas over there. Like, invite me, you know? I'm just playing, but guys, if I get this excited with one, imagine her. Oh my gosh. So, yes, okay. Here it is. Look at this big ass box just for that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So, guys, this is actually from the Coach outlet, okay? That's why it's under $100. If it was Coach, guys, you know damn well it would not be $100 there. Prices have been going up like crazy, guys, but nowadays I feel like Coach does have good quality compared to other brands, you know? So yeah, I was like, yeah, let me give it a chance. It has been a while. I'm trying to grow my collection, but being very careful of what I purchase as well, you know? So I was like, you know what, $100, let's go for it. And it was super cute. So I actually got the mini Rowan, the leopard print one, guys. Oh my gosh, let's open it. Let's take it out of the bag. So I know a lot of you guys have been getting like mini Rowans. So I'm telling you guys, I've been watching all of you guys' videos, and yeah, so I got this one. Ooh, guys, I am obsessed with leopard print. Ever since I was young, I did let go of it, you know, a bit, but I just couldn't help this bag, guys. Oh my gosh. So of course all this wrapping needs to go. Oh, she's cute. First impression touch. Feels nice. This is pebbled leather, right? Nice, nice. Okay. The strap. Oh, it's connected. Okay, up close look, guys. Look at that. Pretty, right? Look at this. Beautiful. I love it because it doesn't scream like Coach everywhere. Not because I don't like the label, but because it's very like subtle. It does say Coach right here. I always wear black and I can't help it with this leopard print, guys. This one reminded me, as soon as I saw it, I thought about that Louis Vuitton leopard print collection they dropped not that long ago, like maybe a year or two ago. But at that time I wasn't, you know, with handbags yet. I wasn't starting my collection because I was still with diaper bags. So I just saw it pass by and I was like, oh my gosh, I want that one so bad. I'll put a picture somewhere so you guys can see which one I'm talking about. But it's very similar, and since I saw this, I was like, you know what? Let's give it a chance. Let's give it a chance, guys. And look at this. I do love the feel of it. Feels really, really nice. Let's see the strap. Oh, you know what? Let me take all this off first. It has a little Coach tag, which I'm probably going to take off. Gold hardware. I love the Coach hardware. Guys, like I said, I've only had one Coach bag before this, but I know a little bit about it. Let me take all this off. I am planning on keeping this. It was only $100, guys. It was on sale. I think they still do have it on the website if you guys are interested. Yeah, I don't plan on returning this anyway, so I'm just ripping everything off. The handles do feel nice too. Everything feels really nice. Look at the handles. Cute. This is such a speedy vibe, guys. Oh my gosh. It has Coach on here on the hardware. Coach right there. Coach right there. Look at the hardware. Everything's beautiful. Inside it's stuff. Let me take everything out. And it has a little Coach logo in there. The little tag. And then it does have two little pockets in there. That's cute. The interior fabricing, I feel like it's not all that, but it's still decent. And I love that it's black because, you know, it's easier to take care of. It has a little tag stuff here. Put that in there for now. Yeah, and I love that it opens pretty wide compared to like a Speedy. Look at that. Cute. Now the strap. Oh my gosh, guys. The strap is leopard print as well. Ooh, 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. More wrapping. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It feels really nice. Look at that. That's the back. I feel like I can switch it, right? Yeah, it's switchable. Ooh, that's cool. If you want it like less subtle, you know. It just fell off the bag. Look at the strap. Cute, right? Look at that. Gold hardware. Cute, detachable. So guys, I know I told you it's reversible, but it's actually not. So, because I tried to take this off, you know, I figured it would be, but this is not double-sided. That's why it's not. So what I did was just turn this side around. You see? So it'd be like this on the bag. And it's just gonna show this much of the leopard print, and everything else would be black on the strap. So it's hanging like this, you see? So yeah, it's not reversible, but you can still do that. So it's not all leopard, you know, if you don't want so much of that leopard accent on it. So yeah, that's what I did. Cute, right? It's like that. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys because I know I did say it's reversible, but it's not. So yeah, back to the video. So I can switch it around if I want to. If I want to wear it like this, if I want to wear it like this, I can. Oh my gosh, I love that. Super, super cute. Okay, so yeah, guys. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Yeah, I love it. It feels really nice. Pebbled leather right here. I'm starting to learn my leathers, guys, right here. Super cute. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh. $98, I think, guys. $98. It's on sale. I love it. I freaking love it. Look, I have my Speedy. This is the older one. This is the one that was like out in the 2000s, right? Look at that. Super small. I feel like this is probably the same size as the newer nano one. This is a mini HL. I would say this is nano size. Yeah, look at that. Super cute. I love that it opens all the way. All the way, because Louis Vuitton just does the top. See that? Super cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let me know if you guys want me to do a comparison, because I do have the mini HL, the newer 2001, and then I do also have the mini HL, but the vintage one, pre-code, guys. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a comparison of all three. Okay, look at that. I don't have the new Nano, but I do have these two. It has little coach on the side right there on the hardware. Super, super cute, guys. I feel like it feels really nice. I feel like it's gonna be durable. I love how it's not so out there. Super, super cute, guys. And since I am going back to leopard print, you know, I feel like this is perfect. It's not too much. I know there is another one that has like the leopard print all over here. I like this one. I like it. I love it, actually. I love it. And especially for the price, guys. Oh my gosh. I love it even more. So this is the bag I got, guys. She's so cute. Oh, she's so adorable. And then the strap. I feel like the strap is a little thick for a tiny little bag like this, but it's still cute. Let me attach the strap. Look at that. The strap is adjustable. So cute, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. She's so adorable. I love it, guys. I love it. I'm trying to expand my brand liking, I guess you can say, explore different brands. So I feel like this is a great start. Okay, on to the next item. Wait, I saw I had like a little pulley again. Okay, here it is. It's a little wallet purse. What is it called? I don't know the proper name. I'll put it right here. But guys, oh my gosh, I thought this would be perfect to match with the bag, guys. Oh my gosh. I think this one was like $45. It was on sale too. Oh my gosh, she's so tiny. And she comes with a chain, guys, like this. Let me show you the wallet. I'm just so excited, guys. I don't even know what to show you. I want to show you everything at the same time. Look at this. Look at this. How adorable. She's so tiny. Oh, says Coach right there. Leopard print, part of the same collection. Oh, that little button. It's hard. There's a bunch of paper in here. I think that's it. Ooh, so she has 2 compartments in there. Look at that. For cards. Fancy, fancy. And then the main pocket. Cute, right? And I have to say, this button, it's hard. Look at that. Good. Good. I love that. And then it has the back pocket. I got this one because I was like, this can be my little wallet for the purse. But I have to see if it even fits. I'm pretty sure it will. And then it comes with a little chain, because this is supposed to be a little purse too, right? Let me see. Yeah, look at the chain. Good. Good, good, good. Look at that. This is a chain it comes with. It clips onto the sides right here. Can't take this one off, but oh. Look where they are. So that doesn't look like it's going anywhere, you know. It's gonna be good on there. I'm going to clip it on. There you go. It's hard to do this with my nails. Whoosh. Yeah, like that. Super cute. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, she's so cute. Look at that. So yeah, I bought it because I want this to be my wallet for the bag. And I'm pretty sure it fits, right? Look at that. I'm going to put it inside. Yeah, it fits. It fits perfectly. And I still have a lot of space in there. Look at that. Yeah, that's going to be my little wallet for this one. So I can match. And I was hoping this chain would maybe work as a strap for the bag. Which now I don't think so, because this looks a little small. Let me see. Oh, no. Yeah, it doesn't fit. Look at that. Because I was like, maybe I can exchange it, you know? Like, if I don't want to wear the leather strap, this one, I could use this one. But it doesn't fit. Look at that. It's okay. I'll use, like, the ones I use on my Louis Vuitton. But yeah, super cute, right? Let me know what you guys think. I freaking love it. It's adorable. It's a super good price, guys. Yeah, if you like it, go for it. I love how it feels. I know there's different Rowans and they're all like different materials sometimes, but I really do love this one. I love it. I love it for the price. Super cute. I can already tell I'm gonna fit a lot into this bag, because if I fit a lot into those little mini speedies, guys, and those are smaller than this one, I know I can fit a good amount of stuff in here, guys. Let me know if you guys would like to see what fits in my bag. I can do that. But yeah, guys, I love it. Super, super cute. I love that I can switch this out if I want to, switch the strap if I want to. I'm probably gonna do that once in a while with the gold chain. I love it, guys. She's so adorable. Here's my little wallet. I love it. Go for it, guys. This is so adorable. Great price, like I said. But yes, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go check out my other random videos, guys, whether you want to learn how to do some little bling DIYs, whether you want to see my other handbag videos, guys. I need to go shopping. I need some retail therapy, guys. Let's go shopping. How about that? But yeah, guys, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. She's so cute. She's so cute. She's so cute. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this mess I made. I'm gonna clean up.